Dear viewers, welcome to the course Sustainability Science. In this era of Anthropocene, the global sustainability is threatened due to two extreme ends, the affluent lifestyles and the unacceptable poverty. The doctrine of sustainability science is one of the tools for attaining global sustainability and is becoming the core philosophy of national and international developmental agenda. Sustainability science is a new emerging discipline that points the way to understanding the relationship between nature and the society, which is dynamic and complex in nature. The diverse social issues associated with sustainability in a holistic manner and to offering visions of development of a sustainable society and methods of achieving it. The basic foundation of this program was developed under the guidance of Professor M.S. Swaminathan in the year 2010. The common global efforts achieving sustainable development goals by 2030 requires participation of each and every individual at different capacities. That is why Ignou's vision with this program is reaching the sustainability science education to the unreached. That is, each and every corner of the country and again to all groups of the citizens. The program duration is for 3 months. The eligibility criteria to join this course is graduate in any discipline. And the basic framework of these courses, it has 4 blocks. The first block talks about introduction to sustainable development. Second block is on sustainability science. The third block is approach to sustainable development. The fourth block is on ecology, economics, and ethics. We hope this program will help you to enhance your skills and understanding in conceptualizing, developing, and identifying different challenges in achieving sustainable development at different levels. Thank you.